Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Montage of the 1957 AC Ace Bristol, panning shots of the car from different angles, smooth cinematic music playing in the background. Few cars capture the essence of classic British motoring quite like the 1957 AC Ace Bristol. A car that inspired the legendary Shelby Cobra, the Ace Bristol was a blend of elegance and raw performance. In this video, we take you through the complete restoration of this beautiful machine, from its stunning exterior to its handcrafted interior, and of course, its powerful heart under the hood. Let's dive into the journey of bringing this classic back to life. Exterior. Footage of the car's original worn-out body, rust spots, and faded paint, transitioning into time-lapse clips of the restoration process. When we first got our hands on this AC Ace Bristol, its bodywork had seen better days. The aluminum panels showed signs of oxidation, and the once glorious paint had lost its shine. The restoration process started with a complete strip down, followed by careful panel beating and reshaping to restore the car's original curves. Cut to a close-up of a professional applying primer, sanding, and then spraying the final coats of paint. This AC Ace originally came in a classic British racing green, but we decided to retain the factory-correct silver mist, a shade that accentuates the car's timeless beauty. Every inch of the chrome detailing, from the front grille to the wire spoke wheels, was meticulously restored, giving the Ace Bristol its unmistakable vintage charm. Before and after shots of the restored exterior. Interior. Scenes showing the car's interior before restoration, with cracked leather, worn-out dials, and faded wood trim. Step inside, and you're transported back to the golden age of sports cars. But before we could achieve that, the interior needed a full makeover. The original leather seats had aged beyond repair, so we reupholstered them in high-quality Connolly leather, staying true to the period-correct style. Cut to skilled craftsmen stitching and installing the new leather seats. The dashboard, with its signature Smith's gauges, was carefully restored to maintain authenticity. Every switch, knob, and dial was either refurbished or replaced with precision-crafted replicas to ensure accuracy. The wooden-rimmed steering wheel was painstakingly refinished, preserving its vintage appeal. Final shots of the finished interior, showing the attention to detail. Performance. Footage of the engine bay before restoration, showing rust, grime, and worn-out components. Under the hood, the 1957 AC Ace Bristol featured a 2.0-liter inline-six engine, sourced from Bristol, producing around 125 horsepower. While that may not seem like much by modern standards, in a car weighing just over 1,800 pounds, it provided an exhilarating driving experience. Cut to time-lapse of the engine rebuild, cleaning, machining, and reassembly. The engine was completely stripped down, with each component meticulously restored or replaced. We rebuilt the triple Solex carburetors, fine-tuned the ignition system, and upgraded the cooling system to enhance reliability without compromising originality. Footage of the engine being started for the first time post-restoration, followed by a close-up of the exhaust note. Once tuned, the engine roared back to life with that signature raspy exhaust note, music to any classic car enthusiast's ears. Cut to the car being test-driven on winding country roads. On the road, the Ace Bristol remains a joy to drive. The lightweight chassis and responsive steering make it feel nimble, while the 4-speed manual transmission keeps you fully engaged with every shift. This was a true driver's car in its era, and even today, it delivers a thrilling ride. Segment 4. Conclusion. Montage of the fully restored AC Ace Bristol, rolling shots on scenic roads. Restoring a classic like the 1957 AC Ace Bristol is more than just bringing a car back to life, it's about preserving history. From its elegant design to its race-inspired performance, this car represents an era of pure driving pleasure. After countless hours of work, seeing it back on the road, gleaming in the sunlight, makes every effort worthwhile. Final cinematic shots of the car parked, with the sun setting in the background. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more classic car rebuilds. Until next time, keep the spirit of motoring alive. End screen with channel logo, subscribe button, and related video links. End of script. This script ensures an engaging narrative while showcasing the detailed restoration process of the 1957 AC Ace Bristol. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.